it's a crazy world we share. Put on the news and nobody's ever fucking happy. Oh well, just get up and go to work. That's what I'm doing right now. Got a new account, new company out of Canada. Right, isn't that weird? I don't know if you keep up with politics at all, but as soon as everything happened with Canada and Mexico, I got this account with Canada, and I was just like, ain't that some shit? Yeah, these fireplaces are pretty huge. 12 feet long electric fireplaces. Huge glass cover. Humongous glass heat shield. At least I didn't install it. I'm here to just, yeah, you know what I do. I fix things. The installers left much to be desired. I'm not sure if this was the installers, actually. It might have been somebody else who came to fix it. Regardless, the company called me. Just getting it done. And of course I have to test it. Man, you know, these things are really cool. Huge. They're so nice. On, off. These LEDs change. Yeah. Not just the colors, the pattern. Huh? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, okay. I'm tripping. It's working. I thought I was gonna have to take off that fucking cover again. Motherfucker's heavy. Alright. Service complete.